Welcome to the SSB outlet. Today we have a 2009 Suzuki GSX R600. This sport bike has 12,300 miles on it roughly and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. This bike comes with a dark tinted windscreen, CRG adjustable levers, frame sliders, knee grips, a tank pad. This bike has a passenger seat cowl only, a Yoshimura pipe, stand spools, and a fender eliminator. Again, stand spools with our fender eliminator and our passenger seat cowl, tank pad and knee grips, frame slider, and adjustable CRG levers. Alright, show you those miles now. $12,266 is what's on it. I'm gonna set the camera down here. This 2009 Suzuki GSX R600 will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB outlet.